Hello everyone, всіх вітаю! Today we will learn about nouns and specifically we will concentrate on the genders of the nouns in Ukrainian. And before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to like this video to see more educational content. Починаємо! Let's get started. So what is a noun? A noun is a word that names a place, a thing, a person, an idea. For example, words like a cat, a city, happiness in English are nouns. In Ukrainian, nouns also have a feature called gender. Ukrainian nouns have three genders: masculine, чоловічий рід, feminine, жіночий рід, and neuter, середній рід. The gender affects how the nouns change in the sentences and what endings it has. Probably you have a question how to identify a gender of noun. And here's the answer. Usually we identify the genders of nouns by its ending in nominative singular form. Masculine nouns often end with a consonant letter. For example, steel, дім, чай, день. Pay attention please that in the end of the word день there is м'який знак. It doesn't sign any sound, it just makes the previous sound n softer. Let's move to feminine nouns. It often ends with r or я. For example, мама, квітка, земля, воля. And the last gender is neuter, середній рід. It often has endings or e. For example, вікно, місто, сонце, море. We start with a masculine gender, чоловічий рід. As we remember, it usually has consonant endings, but sometimes can have endings or e. We can see it in these masculine names: Михайло, Петро, Микита, Микола. To masculine gender also belong nouns батько, тато, дядько. Now we are moving to feminine gender, жіночий рід. Here are some common nouns with consonant endings: любов, кров, річ, ніч. Also, there are few abstract nouns with endings ість: радість, ніжність, гідність, бідність. Now exceptions for the neuter gender, середній рід. Nouns with the ending ня, тя: кохання, завдання, життя. And few more with endings are, я: кошеня, курча, щастя, ім'я. And here we are. I know it was pretty hard, and now it's time to understand why genders matter. In Ukrainian language, genders affect adjective endings. For example, красивий стіл. Стіл is a masculine gender, so красивий also masculine gender. Красива дівчина. Дівчина is a feminine gender, so красива also became feminine gender. Красиве вікно. Вікно is a neuter gender, so красива as adjective also neuter gender. So as we could see, in all three cases, the endings of the adjectives are different according to the gender of the nouns with which they are going. I made a little practice for you. Try to guess the gender before I say it. Молоко, серце, море. It's a neuter gender. Огірок, ліс, чай. It's a masculine gender. Бабуся, земля, дитина. It's a feminine gender. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. See you soon. Па-па.